Dedi kind. Mame Araba Isaba Torkonuu. There also be a who say ne flyer or the barbonting say or they call a press conference no or impersonate ye say or your Chief Justice wabra boni FBB adjective otchere senior bibitie otiase enti say o Treble Focasa, you see adjectives qualify nouns. Obian can say Chief Justice no sebi only bida. Na o Chief Justice kopim say ye born sign ye. Say Oko Church of Pentecost na okoye eniamon ho a asoro no bow sign. Ye can say won ye member biem. Na mum udibia ekura wo a ema wo ye member no. Ye bow say ye body bia so sign. Kopim say ye be hwe wu semu ana say adwobre beba ana ebindie beba. Enti so wo hwe ne statement na ne flyer na wo de beto abonten no a e chese maame no oye obi a oye niamon omu de emra no ese because what dey fani say udibem what dey fani sa say wo adwunumu no because wo adwunumu no de obi ani wono mu a odi asem wono ani tirimu a odi fo this nipa kakra bi a omo ankasa wo mahunim ne ye ena omtimi ka say oh ade we de mehu se ma anye ne yie sa nipa no mo no so wi ase etu de fani say wo Torkonuu kura wa adwunumu no udibem ena ya tu asen kopim say tu na ya tu asen no abai ebe family kwan so reinstate perish my thoughts anyway perish my thoughts kopim say abai ebe ka say oh to me tu say no matwe asan no you cannot hold the title Chief Justice we are suspended until further notice eti me who ne flyer na number bontin Chief Justice speaks Chief Justice addresses the nation. I think quite the person here to say state of the nation. It's me no. Me who flyer no. And I'm to me Facebook say. Rather no, I was so say suspended Chief Justice speaks. And yeah, and go be any in yasem. And tia no krampo no. Say you see you dey from na kwan so wa impersonate the office and the position of a Chief Justice. And no, Emma ni dedi pefe say onye nipa sebi obumra famra nya neka obumra enye sebi nipa sebio jinjan bi no less a person say omampani mu a and odin se share krata se ka kire wo say kofie na ye hwehwe wo nsemu asa lekin krata na se ebubo wa ya de huntan sa asoa wo lekin krata na enti sa de na oye no the first offense what the two bedroom impersonation a criminal act
and even
for a very lawless chief suspended Chief Justice. I may imagine no or outgoing to have misbehaved like this, no. I was say enokrano omunya enyinaso na omde twenaso. Eno one. 2. Mugabi. Eyana sometimes yeso so sebi enipa binum so wo man mu. Ema omo adwene mu no omo ye te se de omo no esoten oman ne mra. Untouchable. Enti no sa wo hwe a efri mampani Akufo Addo apenso eba no. Na nipa binum adwene ye omo se enye rule of law biem na a rule of man. Na rule of man bia no emma nipa na adwene ye ne se okura tumi bi sa tumi no eso ten tumi na ebia emra no de ama no ana se de omanfo ekura Bogabi, yeah, 1992 constitution, no, adia, me say, Omu the framers of the constitution, no, Omu kuchira adia bi, your friend, the preamble of the constitution. Enti, so we share preamble of the constitution now. Otchere say, power, no, to me na, eyo man for, to me, no. Or say, the biya wo o minor bra bomu no, ekura man for. Yanka se ekura obi enti omanpani krampa sebi odi yeso ane sebi obetimi akasa Ghana nyina no kafi obi ankoda nsia no onu mpo krampo no yese ansa no obetimi ateki sa tumi no anase obetimi aye bibi no agise wakomra sebedwam enti wo hwe ya time COVID-19 baaye no Akufo Addo yese wo a wo de wo pe ebekwa akogina baabi wo ka se wo se no mask na se ebekwa akopiriti ma ne chechi asofo bi kwa kugu wo kai woni se eko emrani mu a emrani be kire se o mampani ni sa atumi no enu nti na mampani krampo no or member of parliament ya ene me no ka se owura John Mahama owo mrase bedwani a oye ono John Mahama his excellency ni isi anamu wo mrase bedwam enti president impokrampo no ono na owo tumi a sebi o man for krade ato abama no ono ntimi nyina bedwam enka se me mampani no me sisei obi ankoda by force ontimi this what their family akwan so na wo hwe mami Torkonuu ni sune ne ban a no wonder say
enen ne
le papa ne Agyarko fi Abraham no wonder on tetiba nani atra nani ton
muade
so we share from the behavior time no chief justice no na ye bo owura Mahamadu se on sorry mekasa na we hwede ewu a osobre na no esechiri nani fi nani pochiri nani bi e de hwe owura Mahamadu nyam ni a se bi ni fie we hwe sa behavior no misbehavior na on sem fata obi a se bi owo su ne banya ye didi chief justice no Kogabi obi we busa say again no see and was there a need for it? The question is, Kogabi, to what end? Press conference here no obey ye. When you on tina me catch you say MPP you bien wa onimumra
monim judge.
They only know the judge. And until now, say MPP for so much, Torkonuu be free ye and ye bet ye nyina yaku.
Minority for mutu tia.
Mami way on fam ra nya adwuma. Na say ko bia odem ra ye adwuma. Kogabi. Emra no constitution na kan yo. Enye sebi any other law a ye betimi aka so we de emra kunyini ne kura etia. Se ubusa lawyer bia wo Ghana ha ye say process ni krampo a ye de eyi chief justice adi no enya de a e wo say emu bia no ebebeda badwam enti petitioners me ensani nyina mo chiro petitions no normally like I normally do and come betimi kwa leak petition na ma public no but omo leak petition na ma ekodu mampani ho o mampani leak petition no ema or the command council of state omo leak petition no kwapem say mami Torkonuu na ono krampo na asame fa ne ho no o tro command mampani say o mampani entimi ma say wo si na the petition bi aba a e fa me ho wabra mi na se bi asame e fa me ho no o ma me copy no mampani so no na waye na adwe wasi na adwene mu pi se me fa mraw na etire bi ekoliki a wa be ka se me mom kra na maliki no kopem se o mampani di petitions no e bi ma Torkonuu no Kogabi ni e betra studio ha ni e sufre copies of the petition me boa me kwa na me ni se emramu no eni kwan se omu e di petition ni betu badwam e ma me be ka no studio ha se ye be se omu me hu copies no ni enkenkan ama ora fari so fosu kwa achi bedina public catch ye nyina ye se enya dia um betimi dia ma public ni because emra no emra kunni ne se e wo se enye shaded in secrecy kwapem se ma me no beko meboa ya di petition ni kopini mama me no ade tie na before a press conference oh we asem be na wom ada na odi ni kura tu kwan e na ade be na fa no ma ki gira ba bi
samfun
na mo ke kan sem hu a gabi
aka fun kan
ehwa na me ka che Ghana for say me ka kire mo say ma mi wei onye chief justice bia o chief injustice oye wo bia oye MPP for women organizer ye na court na adwuma bia wo ye bia ye MPP adwuma nye o man adwuma
enam ne ye enti
ne ne su ne ban enti because kopem say John Mahama no mo de petition ne kopese mama me no na ani abonten John Mahama mo de kopese ma no na MPP fa copy no enom de be gina public enom de ye press conference me boa mo nkasa me boa enti say wo hwe sa anioma o ye na na wo hwe de no a wo da na di na o ye up to something
you know the way na contempt na
a contemptuous. Just that the committee doesn't have any power to draw her before the committee to punish her for that offense. Even though, Entino, me say, committee no, omon fa ne tisa de sebi abrewa we yin from abone we na na omunyo omadwuma. Esan say adwuma na omo ye de ama omo na ye oman adwuma. De Torkonuu ya ne de etisa de sebi aboa tafre bi nam osun bi ataso
oso resign
resign de resign na Akufo Addo cry apam no
baby ejina sese
baby Akufo Addo cry apam
emra no de na ka baby ojina sese betima resign na retire
baby ojina no cry no or resign cry enye yie na bedi na asem se ne se fata ena sebi se utie press conference na o ye na ugabi na medwin se oba be gina mra bi so aka se o mampania from mra bi ana se bi a council of state from mra bi ana committee ni members no kran pro ma from mra bi
motata no
and someone what can who be brother sam se bi abababo bi anim na se bi anim kan se bi nti a wo se na ebi ni kro mo phone Torkonuu na we afi se wo kran pa wo chief justice na wo ka che se ye ba quarter me na me civilian no se me wo dreadlocks krampa e wo se me kata so by force e wo se me she shoot una ato atare ma me wonu nyamu da ye wo Ghana ha na una be tell de yenye asomafo se wo phone adaya ya threat me obi a wo what me aye lawyer wo papa e kwai ofa so a oye ya pam ni free Kofodia se tech krampa no kram nka ho asem ne
another day
wonti o papa ya pam no si ya so akofa ne ma bi ama ho sansam
de so nka no na de o se
they can't say acquire papa no fa so a o twa school fees
Torkonuu na
what ma say ya nka ho asem na wo ba be ka che say ya threaten to wo ko school no nim say ya threaten wa wo ba bi e wo so de wa asem ko na wo be ka threat to Ghana ha. Do you know how you have used the weaponized court now to threaten the lives of many? Do you know how you have made Ghanaians under your torture? No? Do you know how you have made us feel? What saying? Some you be threatening lives. Do you know how you are threatening our lives as a judge? When you are sitting in the comfort of your court, dictating the pace of all the to the extent say maybe Mugabe. Now we are Ghanaian. You kase kokota na akwese ya budia.
Okay.
Etino Samuel na obegina bedwom kika ne nyoma no.
Odi mesi no.
Odi medusie no. Odi eye e de adane nsem nkwanta. Obi anu oye owo sympathy bia ma Torkonuu.
Onko.
Me no hu. Eya na ensemi bi wo ha mramu no ntino ntimi nka ne yie. Eni se we nu nka committee bia hu hia. E wo se nkomu woni nkunsa. No mo woni nkonsa na ba bi obekọ akoto no so no prapra ne hu wie na wati Torkonuu wa no ohu fia na ko odi asu nyansa ya te Ghana ha hwede na afa no market ne woye ena awia tete odi asema be down 2 o'clock wa ye panel 3 o'clock na judgment aba me the LGBT asema be to anim asema na akafa ho ya jiji yi na fi Ghana ha minority caucus led by Ogubetonum wo mo fa asema nkoba court omu di asem no odru MPP fa asem so bia enya ohu hare etimi de mesere se sebi committee ni nkoso anya na adwuma Ghana for yo so ya de nkyere be koso akere obi ani wonu ma se bi obehu Torkonuu mobo wan hu ye mobo wabra na ehia no wan hu ye mobo time ani tumutu asem aba wan ka bi amoayen osori na ko gina pulpit anim no aso preach no sankofo wo mu nyina so bi Christopher nti na nse na ja asori ko no eti mesre obia ntia na adwen fa ho se Torkonuu no na adwen ye ne se law ne nya law bi na fa emotions a onkoso ano emotional drama ye be koso ahwe me kwa no na me data asa me ko tobi ehwe ni nyina me concert party ano oye onkoso ano onye concert no committee ni nya na adwuma opa ma ni si committee nanim committee ni be tro se wa ama absenteeism en fire ho wan ko obia who say how can you think say Ghana for betina ho I'm a wounded lioness like you as ababaji wedwa now baba train there wo pe we have had a new chief justice
is
acting
very well and say
Kopim say chief justice here wo hoyi obey na dwuma awie no Ghana for tanachi ora pafo boni no yire mo nkoso ara mo mo adwuma e sam no donso
judges. What kind of nonsense is this? But because she's arrogant, you know, she doesn't see say Nemana or you know, or good anymore say. What's it?
We're arrogant.
Oh, very arrogant, very despicable, filthy, arrogant character. And you fancy you because and yes, sir, and can you know how can you do this? Because again, process now air cost, you know, it's emotion. You are part of the process. You've not disconnected yourself from the process. Young judges now no moto adia she's casting some kind of a spin on the judges.
As usual, Minia Ivan there. I mean, he has always caught my eye, and I believe that with time, no, very intelligent.
What to Kwabranka there?
Yeah, Matiko Branca.
Commander, what in
Bobiansa, Martinenka, or no, so the law is the law.
Kwabranka
the law is the law.
I say the weekend of Adanko.
Adanko there. Say Kwabena Adanko now winning an assault, you know. Say Adanko ma sword.
Adanko
ma sword.
The law
is the law. Kwabena say the law is the law when the law is the law.
Thank you.
Enti Kwabena de ani de watwum kakra.
Kajagum yama inkum.
Enti Mugabi we de say mame fa konya we so na mema omampani ene na pamfo nyina moni ha. Sene adwumayefo be ya no mo ye no. Se osompa de wo de ma wo manfo a say enya de a mo manfo no omo emmo empaye ma. Obi ene okos e friend say obi ene okonsu ogu ne tamfo ankrem. Na obi an soso ni wa okonshira oshira ni busuefo.
Very true.
Nti me bom abaso ne adwumaso mo ye. Na mitie owura esedun ketia asem no. Na asem a ye mu bi no ya na ye hye ni abotre. Isanse ye ni soja sem no ya na eduru ba bia na edidi yeti ohunti no ya na ye pedibia jasu na de tie de se emperifo so se emframa de huhu pade a onya
sarete
na obeka ya oma mperi kofo de o ewe a ebe no oka no ma na yesere se ensuonyunu ene fa ni panye nsuhye nti wo hwɛ John ni sune ne ban a enye huhu ene ode ye bibia na odafom di boko ensusu no bebe wi ase no na he has delivered, and it's not about any vindictiveness or whatever. I mean, he is just abiding by the dictates of the constitution and the law. Nti no me fa asem free baby a ore ase edun ketia ede na asem ni betu dwana. Mugabe, every state institution, every citizen of Ghana, by law established, no, answerable to the people of Ghana. Enti se wo hwe background from there ora eni yeboa krama the commission no anya accountable to the people of this country no crampo na from that background on kwano I will see a timid dinner so near said and conform answerable to the people of this country, cannot be in the helm of affairs. And no quantity. Look, we have square pegs in round holes. Square pegs in round hole, no. Actually, say, Nipa only medjuma and Yamane Juma oye. It's say, Obi eti abontin na wa ye your friend is saying Abuduaba, why you more Abuduaba, and no twitwitwa homa. They said the Koliko, Oshe, Kojo na Tom and Jerry are warrior no. We say Koliko be a no modern Gina house or Motri na no obubu ne pano. Sana na Akufo Addo ye Jemensa asare boss man Sammy Tetene Srebo Kweku nomine omo electoral commission apia hene nom. Oh se wo hwe
ya
democracy the fare by na eni kwan se sankofo we mu omo wo ho enti mesume twanitia e wo ho na matoa so eye anti araba de ne so
enti e kama Ivan enko
nti emremu no
yisi ho kakra
say yes ye pay electoral commission say ne da bia meka no every word has a meaning. As we speak now, we don't have an electoral commission. We have something that looks like electoral commission. And we say, we see, and to the extent say, Oma Sal, etna in fear na omuni MP. Dear no intimate.
But the woman is very wicked.
Mesre,
very wicked.
I was here a quite beer was here faso. Na omo na omo person omo destroy democracy no. Ye be tu omo sen, ya twi omo so mra kwan mu. Bibibia ye illegality no me faso. Emra mu ye fa omo enkons ye frame sen emra nanim. No mu nyira emra nanim na ye ntu omo sen. Na kitase hye no pro ye dwirim kankan bia akoso in the last 7 or so years omo aba in the helm of affairs in bia no ye hwehwem na ye make sure say oman ni sika bia akodi omo nsem no ye nsabeka so hwe de we ani kun ni hotel no speed no mo di si hotel na hu be hia say ye be hwehwem because Charles Mensa the last time I check here no onya adwuma
listen mama Kweku Annan nsema national chairman Johnson said nkajade atuja nothing you move straight to annual press conference course so suspended chief justice.
Okay Mugabe I think so I'm chair what for Thursday class na menka say wo evening class
where Thursday evening class
yes so wo your friend is saying the electoral commission ne jumadi omodi in the past. The scars are quite clear, are visible, Ghana can never forget. But here, Nema at play in this country presently now, it looks as if the focus is not on it. But no indemnify the electoral commission from the criminal engagement in the lack of trust Ghana for the institution. My catcher said, you will Krobi and Kayetimi put 2 decent men with proper conviction in place. Situation like this, you will not wait. Say obi a petition and answer way. And Kajen some boss manasare, yes, your fra kwabi tete, why, and Kayetu abani we yard and come turning in or more resignation and communion coy because the period now on the tenor so as electoral commissioners all that they did they destroyed the reputation of the institution called the Electoral Commission. Ordinary Ghanaian any trust, confidence, any hope be our institution, and I think that the track record are quite obvious. But it's unfortunate Nipana very often we put them in leadership position, in sensitive position like this, most of them lack integrity, they lack candor, and they think that they are service because somebody put them there. So the whole agenda is say we are servicing the person or the and I say all the position and singing hallelujah choruses. All that they do is say a bit me guarantee that particular way. Because the men san near my why you kruma and Ghana for na say be near be and I said be yet manual semasia. I'm telling you Zenka before 2024 elections in Kejato Okroma saying because there were a series of senseless decisions upon senseless decisions that these people were taking. I threatened the foundations of our democracy. in the sub-region, there are countries that the scars of electoral misunderstanding are quite clear. Obeko Sudan, Obeko Hwai, Nayate, Rabo, Hwai, because of electoral misunderstanding, or they couldn't handle it. But fortunately, we were able to handle. Electoral Commission at some point in time became so belligerent to the stand there. Actors and stakeholders in the elections, they were not ready to listen to anybody. They were running the institutions at the behest of their personal twisted whether emotions or whatever that they wanted to do. So I know that they lost touch with the actors and they had to go into this particular election. And election we sat down in this country and never call election now a constituency Atena Kroma for almost 4 good years with data representation. That was a criminal, saying, an engagement. As an expect to say, and something could have been done to salvage the situation because constitution guarantee everybody in this country to have a representation in parliament at any point in time. Mugabe, this woman said that Sunday, the Monday I to Abano, and issue statement, a significant part of voter region from that particular way, and she denied them representation. Yet to Abani, and now we were hoping Senka sorting a mitigatory effort will be advanced to ensure that the situation. She never, because Onimisa Koto Abana, NDC was going to win and they will have upper hand in parliament. This woman sat down and we couldn't do anything about it. And I didn't know one at the core. You go into nano elections in Ebina Yablukuma Sema walking. Almost a share pink seat or moon. A pink seat, Mema no command and papa no command. So if the electoral commission cannot assess pink sheet, it means that you are incompetent. You don't qualify to be there. Exactly. And the person who appointed that particular person is also incompetent. And now no yantia. America. So we follow Trump the attempted assassination on his life, They pin it on the Secret Service. Mamena, the head of Secret Service, she was nowhere near the place, but she was sacked. Why? Because the ultimate way, stop with her. So the head of the Secret Service in America, because of Trump's attempted assassination, was booted out. You understand? So that is how people take ultimate responsibility. These jokers have been sitting in office, masquerading, walking around upon all the embarrassment that they brought into this country. They still call themselves commissioners in this country. I think it's quite pathetic. And Jemensa, I'm telling her, or no petition, a good bag, I'm telling you, because no quite any day easy chain your friends saying easy because criminal activities on my no kroma boss man and some of being and waka certain post training name be on my no kroma no it will be very easy but I think say and kayanko the UK way Prime Minister na name enkoya no say resign na no yentiana Canada Prime Minister resign here. But so why can't they do the same thing? Honestly, you resign and go, you understand? But you say but these jokers will hang on to power until we sack them. And for me, I am concerned about the integrity of the judiciary. And the law. It's the law.
Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to share the video to all platforms. I'll see you in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.